Removing fish guts, water stains, spilled food, and mud can be a challenging job for everyday boating. After a long day, we want to get rid of this leftover junk. Luckily, a washdown pump helps in clearing them out of the deck every time. So in this video we will discuss 5 best saltwater washdown pump. Don't worry, you will not face any hassle to find the product links. I will include the product links in the description. Number 1. Lippert Components 689052 Water Pump. If you prefer a CSA certified water pump for a boat dock, this unit is the right choice. Many fishing enthusiasts find this device practical because it can guarantee a consistent flow of water to the boat. It is also fantastic as it can generate more remarkable pressure performance than other pumps available today. Essentially, it has an average of 3.30 gallons of water flow per minute and 50 psi. This system features a very sturdy and corrosion-proof motor. It can even run dry without causing any damage. Aside from this, the machine operates without irking sounds and allows universal fit. This comes with 9.5 amps, is self-priming and 12 volt. Such a device is a piece of cake to install and is quite handy. It is certified user-friendly even for first-timers. This unit would also work well as a replacement for old water pumps. You can make some sorts of adjustments whenever it does not fit. More importantly, you will be amazed by the pressure of water. For a fact, its capability to generate superior water pressure is unrivaled. Number 2. SEAFLO 42 Series Water Pressure Diaphragm Pump. Are you looking for a high-quality portable washdown pump? This option by SEAFLO is worth a try. The raw power and pressure of its predecessors are retained in this model. What is so impressive about this unit is that it works superbly in adapting to certain conditions where the considerable flow is not required. Additionally, such a machine is a big shot option because it is unmatched when it comes to producing high pressure. Moreover, it includes a pressure shut-off switch that works efficiently without the need to use more power. It can run dry and also contains a built-in check valve. If you buy this pump, there is no need to use an accumulator tank. It can execute its job more than exceptionally, even under low and high flow. It does not produce any audible sound when operating. Not only that, but this machine is also self-priming and capable of priming up to 6 vertical feet. Number 3. Happybuy RV Water Pump. Are you happy with your current marine washdown system? If not, let me introduce you to the Happybuy high-pressure washdown pump. It runs smoothly at 70 psi with 5.5 gallons per minute. With such paramount tolerance for water pressure, it can help maintain the dock's cleanliness. My friend has used it as a water pump for boat dock, and he's satisfied with the consistent masterful performance. This pump is skillful enough to be a dependable companion in cleaning anchor chains, RVs, fish boxes, and beacon stations. The pump is engineered with ABS plastic that massively contributes to its durability and lifelong service. It comes with unique features that are surprisingly impressive. Among these is the 12V self-priming structure that can make cleaning duties manageable. The automatic pressure switch controller self-activates when the nozzle is turned, and it gives gratifying results. Additionally, the water pump is quite responsive, and it comprises a bundle of useful tools. Number 4. USA Adventure Gear Washdown Water Pump. USA Adventure Gear Pro Gear 5550 High Pressure Professional Grade Washdown Water Pump. Made in the USA. High pressure and high speed. Use for power spraying, boats, fish boxes, anchor wells, dinghies, RVs, patios, decks, can be used for pumping water into or out of stock tanks, hot tubs, RV, cabin, or marine/boat holding tanks. Drain water from a flooded room or basement, draining or filling a small swimming pool, or hot tub. High pressure professional grade pump. 80 psi spray pressure. Approved for potable water or water use only. No pesticides, chemicals, or petrochemicals. Replaces shurflo and Diaphragm pumps. CE approved pump. Liquid temperature -140 degrees Fahrenheit 60 degrees Celsius max 5.75 gallons per minute, GPM. 5-chamber diaphragm pump. 80 psi of high-pressure spray. Sealed corrosion-resistant motor. Priming capabilities, 14 feet 4 meters. Max operating pressure, 150 psi, 10 bar. Inlet/outlet ports, quick connect for use with multiple types of fittings. Dimensions, 4.84 inch h x 9.12 w x 4.55 d. Weight, 6 pounds. Number 5. SEAFLO 55 Series, Washdown Pump Kit. SEAFLO 55 Series is a practical choice if you're hunting down an all-inclusive washdown pump that can cater to various marine applications. The stoutness of this device is enchanting and unbreakable while being lightweight. This characteristic makes this pump reliable and handy. This newly improved SEAFLO model has a superior pressure switch compared to the previous 51 series. It has a powerful 5-chamber diaphragm that delivers 5.5 GPM. Unlike other competitors, this unit comes with high efficiency. This machine works in 12 volts DC. It allows adequate speed and power to extinguish unwanted mess situating on your deck. If you require a portable washdown pump, then this unit fits this title perfectly. If you enjoyed this video, then like this video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video.